Hello everybody, this is me again from my video blog, Gode Vlog. As you can see, it is much darker now. We are still stuck in Los Angeles. We haven't even moved. You can see the same wall. Who are you, man? Why are you touching my head? What is going on here? I'm trying to make a video for YouTube. Stop touching me. Oh my goodness. Okay, stop it right now. This man is accosting me and I'm trying to make a video and he will not leave me alone. My goodness, people are looking but they are not helping. Do not be a bystander. Oh my goodness. My faith in society has been crumbled like a little cookie. They laugh at my shame and humiliation. They do not understand my plight right now. There are these people who are stupid right now. I cannot even talk anymore. I am running. Oh, stop accosting me. I am running out of words to say. I'm running out of energy. Oh, that feels nice. He is touching on my scrophulophagus. There are people who are looking, they are pointing, they are laughing, but they no stopping, they no help. See, they will talk, they will wear booty shorts, but they will not help you. This city is a monument to man's arrogance. There is nothing to do here but die and live a horrible death. How does that even work? How do you live a horrible death? Anyway, it is getting darker and darker by the night's time. Look at how tall that building is. That's not really relevant right now, but I just thought the building was very tall. I look up to it and say, oh, that is a tall building. Anyway, it is time now for us to end this video. If you see this video, know that we went to the sax man and we cried. We shared a mutual moment of pain and agony, and it was very spiritual almost. But then he threw his saxophone at me once I would not give him money. He said, I do not do free shows to you. And so then we are back here now and we are waiting for our rescuers, for our saviors to come. If you find this video, please send help. Thank you. Goodbye.